Hi, I'm Kenny D and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I go about dyeing my hair. I'm already sort of, prepared to do the dye. I have a stain towel that I don't mind, getting damaged any more than what it is already. So I'm going to go ahead and start the process. I also, as far as the dye that I use the Texture Tones by Clairol, and I use the Silk and Black 1B to do the dye. So I'm only going to dye a portion of it today because the bottom portion of my hair I want to leave out because I plan to get it bleach a different color. For those type of things, I would recommend going to a professional if you've never used or bleached your hair before, which I have not, so that's why I'm going to a professional, and hopefully everything goes well tomorrow. But that's when I'm going to get the bleach done on the bottom portion of my hair. So, and I was told to, when you're trying to bleach your hair a different color than black, not to get black on it. So I'm gonna pretty much get that out the way, put a bag or something over it so that it won't get the dye on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the process. Okay, so first things first, I would recommend, if you've never dyed your hair before, to read the instructions first before you do anything else. In regards to the items, I'm going to go ahead and mix the items. So you will be mixing the step 1 with the step 2. So let me go ahead and do that now. So you want to pour all of the ingredients in here, and I'm going to put this empty bottle back in the box once I'm done. But I'm going to go ahead and close this container and then shake it until this bottle, the white ingredients, becomes black or darker. Let me go ahead and shake. Okay, so I'm still shaking it. See, it's getting kind of dark. I'm gonna continue to shake it. But while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna let you know that I know for me personally, I have to leave the dye in my hair for about 30 minutes before I wash it out. So, but again, read the instructions because everyone may be different. So continue to shake a little while longer. And also, I want to show you, because you have to grease your scalp, and just definitely around the edges before you put this in. So what I normally use to grease my scalp and make it oily would be the Mega Formula hair oil. I just put it really a little bit. You don't need much of this, so just put it just like a dab around the edges, so that way you don't burn your scalp. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and plug this up right quick while I'm continuing to shake because my battery's about to die. Okay, I just wanted to show you what it looks like once it's shaken up all the way. So it looks like this, and just keep in mind, for precautions, make sure you put on your gloves before you start the process. My hand is a little sweaty, so as you can see, it's starting to sweat, so let me hurry this process up. I will recommend covering your sink if you don't want it to have dye stains on it. So let me try to get a little thing right quick to cover it, because it can stain your sink and it's hard to come off, although I've tried the what's it called, Mr. Clean white eraser. It works somewhat, but it doesn't get everything off at times. So definitely try to make sure you use a towel that's you don't want or don't mind damaging. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that I'm putting part of my hair in a ponytail because this is the part that I do not want to be dyed. So I'm going to put a plastic bag over this, and then I'm just going to dye the front portion of my hair. So let me get the plastic bag. Is put this on my hair. So let me go ahead and show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it around my edges. And my daughter has been helpful today. She's actually assisting me with this process since I need both hands. Show you right quick. What I do is I just dye it and then I try to rub my fingers through it so that way it gets all the way to the strands and the ends of the hair. But what I'll do now is just let it sit for 30 minutes before I wash it out. See you in 30. Guys, I am back and my 30 minutes pretty much is up. Just wanted to give you a brief, this is how it looks before I wash it out. It's tingling, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Also, the shampoo that I normally use is Suave. I like the honey infusion. It smells really, really well, so I love it. So I'm going to use my shampoo, and then I'm going to use the conditioner that came with, well, first of all, I'm rinsing the color out first before I put any shampoo in it. I'm going to rinse it out. Normally I rinse it out several times before it actually out all the way. Once I rinse it, then I'm going to put the shampoo in it several times, and then I'm going to go in with the conditioner. But I also like to use the Suave conditioner as well. So Suave conditioner would be the honey infusion conditioner as well. So let me go ahead and get started. So I'll see you once I rinse this stuff out. Okay, I am back. I have finished washing and dyeing my hair. This is just the final version of how it looks after you wash it. Normally after this process of washing it and conditioning it, normally I would retwist it while it's still wet, but I am going to the hair salon tomorrow to get it retwist because as you can recall, I had a bag in the back of my hair because that portion of my hair I want to get another color in. So if all goes well, I'll have two colors in my hair tomorrow, and I can take a final picture of it so you can see it, how it looks when it's retwisted and with another color. Other than that, once again, I've washed it, conditioned it, and I'll probably put a little bit of oil in it. But normally I let my hair air dry when I'm doing it myself, when it comes to the retwisting, which I'll do a video in regards to retwist as well. But when I retwist my own hair, I normally let it air dry. But when I do go to the hair salon, I sit under the dryer once she retwists it. So once again, I'll give you a final look at it once it's completely retwisted. But here you go. If you have any questions about dyeing your hair, or you like this video, feel free to subscribe for more like it. And if you have any questions, once again, comment below. See you next time.